Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to the Far East with an Asian recipe. Satay king prawn. So this is a beautiful and super easy stir-fry dish to make, extremely delicious, nice and creamy, spicy, and full of flavor. And to make your life easier, we're using a bit of a hack. So first you marinate the prawn, the king prawn. So the king prawn has been peeled. Then you add the corn flour,
soy sauce,
and soy sauce,
white pepper, and a dash of sesame oil.
white pepper, and a dash of sesame oil.
And let it marinate for
And
10 minutes.
mix it all together and let it marinate for 10-15 minutes or so. Okay, now let's start with the pan or the wok. You add some ginger paste or minced ginger,
And garlic.
garlic ginger paste, to a bit of vegetable oil or neutral oil, and you just cook it in for a little bit, and then you follow it up with the marinated king prawns. So make sure you don't overcook your prawns. Very important. It's only maybe a minute or less on each side, and you flip it. You don't want to cook it all the way through because it still needs to go back again with the rest of with the sauce and the veggies. This is just to seal it, to sear it. Okay, and the secret to this whole recipe is this sauce, Jimmy's satay sauce. It's hands down the best satay sauce out there on the market that I've tried. It's extremely flavorful. You cannot go wrong with it. You can cook it with chicken, with prawns, with beef, any sort of protein. You can get it from your Asian grocer. They should have it. So it's Jimmy's satay sauce. And also XO sauce of your choice. This is XO sauce, so you mix the two together and that's basically your sauce. So at this point you add the veggies of your choice. Here we have some broccoli, some zucchini, and some green beans, capsicum, and onions. So again, any veggies of your choice. So after a couple of minutes of cooking, that's when you start adding sauces. Then do not overcook your veggies. So first the XO sauce goes in. This particular one is XO and mushroom, but you don't have to get, as long as it's XO sauce, that's fine. And this is the little hack basically. It's XO sauce, Jimmy's satay, it must be Jimmy's satay sauce, and coconut cream. That's basically your basis of the sauces. So now Mr. Jimmy goes in. Again, it's just amazing. This sauce is just hands down second to none. Absolutely delicious. And it does have a kick in it as well. It's a bit of a kick. So if you like it spicy, this does have a bit of a kick in it. And you mix it in. After cooking the veggies for a minute, you add the coconut cream. That was actually coconut milk, not coconut cream. So after you add it, you just mix it in and you cook it for furthermore. You can see the color is starting to change. Yeah, if you're a vegetarian, you can go for it just as it is. It's still absolutely delicious. Basically, it's satay veggies, satay flavored veggies. So after the sauce has thickened a little bit, it's only been a couple of minutes, then you return the prawns back in, literally for a couple of minutes from this point, and you're done. It's as simple as this. Does not get quicker and more delicious than this. No excuse not to try this dish. Believe me, It's better than most restaurants. The most restaurants. I kid you not. Absolutely delicious. And there's the masterpiece, guys. Don't tell me this doesn't look absolutely delicious. It's got the satay flavors, the chili flavors, the cream from the coconut, the XO sauce right through it. It's absolutely delicious. You must, absolutely must try this. Your family will adore it. It is not a dish to be missed. And if you like what you've seen so far, please don't forget to share, like, and most importantly, subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.